Did you know there are 4 simple ways you can make a ton more money on your house? Whether you are a landlord or a homeowner, these strategies can work for you. Maybe you've got a rental property that's costing you more each month than it makes, or maybe you've simply got a home that you want to sell, but you really want to make more money than you could by selling the conventional way. And maybe this situation is causing a bit of stress because of the money worries. I'm Sherry Lynn Milsom, and I've been a professional real estate investor since 2006 and have been educating people for almost as long in real estate matters. And I would like to give you this PDF that outlines and details these 4 strategies that are so effective at making more money on a property you have. That's Super Suite, Secondary Suite, Agreement for Sale, and Rent to Own. I've used these strategies all pretty extensively, and they have worked wonders for both myself and the people I've helped with them along the way. So maybe one of these strategies could be a lifesaver for you. So click the link and sign up to download this free PDF.